Welcome to our class, children. Today's topic is Heron's formula. In that, we'll see applications of Heron's formula in finding areas of quadrilateral. Quadrilaterals means we have four sides and we have two diagonal. This is one diagonal and this is other diagonal. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now AC is diagonal. So we'll get now two triangle. First we'll find any one triangle area using Heron's formula. Then second triangle also we'll use Heron's formula and find the area. Then finally both also will add. Then we will get total area of quadrilateral will get. Like this we are going to see exercise number 8.2. First question. A park in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD has C angle is 90 degree, AB length is 9 meter, BC length is 12 meter, CD length is 5 meter and AD length is 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? As per question, we have ABCD is a quadrilateral and C angle is 90 degree. CD is 5 meter, AD is 8 meter, AB is 9 meter, BC is 12 meter. Then we have here BD is diagonal. When we have angle is right angle and two side we have, then hypotenuse side we can find very easily using the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to other two side also you must add of the squares, that is BC square plus CD square. BC is 12 meters, so 12 square plus CD is 5, we have 5 square. We want this side only BD only we need. So square root of 12 square plus 5 square. So 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25. When we add both, square root of 169 will have. So square root of 169 is 13 square. So that therefore BD is equal to 13 meter we have. So write here 13 meter. Then we have two triangle. This triangle we will find directly half into base into height. First triangle area. Because we have bases here and height also we have 5 meter. Directly we can find this answer. But for second triangle area if you want, we have to use Heron's formula because all the three sides they have given here. Area of BCD we want. The formula is half into base into height. So here half. Base is BC is base, it is 12, height is CD, so it is 5. So 1, 6, 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12. So 6 5s are 30 meters square. Now we will find area of BDA triangle. Area of triangle ABD also can tell. Equal to, what is the formula? Square root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. First, what is this? It is called semi-perimeter. So, we will find S value here. Semi-perimeter means A plus B plus C. What is the A plus B plus C is? It is all the three sides divided by 2 we should write. So, we have A is 9 plus 13 plus 8 divided by 2. All if you add, we will get 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15 meters. So, S value we got 15 meter. So, we will find now square root of S value is 15. So, 15 into 15 minus A value is 9. Then 15 minus B value is 13. Then 15 minus C value is 8. Then square root of 15. 15 minus 9 is 6 into 15 minus 13 is 2 into 15 minus 7 is, 8 is 7. Then we'll multiply this everything. 15 we can write 5 3s are 15. 6 is 3 2s are 6. Then this 2 can write like that. This 7 can write like that only. Then here 3 is 2 times. So take outside 1 time. This 2 also is there in 2 time. We can take 1 time out. 3 2s are 6. Square root of 5 7s are 35. Now square root of 35, we should find the value of this by division method. So square root of 35, always we have to take 2 digit only. This is actually 2 digit. This is unit digit, and 10th digit we have 2 digit number only. Any number if you take here, same number we should take here also. So here suppose 1 if you write, 1 1s are 1. 2 if you take, 2 2s are 4. 3 if you take, 3 3s are 9. It is very less numbers. So like that. 5 if I take, 5 5s are 25 I can write. But 6 if I take, 6 6 are 36. More than this number I should not write. So I will write here 5 5s are 25. So then you have to do minus of this. We'll get 10. Which number you have written here, the same number we have to take and add here. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Then we have to put here the point, and we have to write here 00. In normal division, if we keep the normal division, if we keep the point, we'll add here only 10, right? Same like that, this is square root division. That's why 1 point here, 00 we must add. Then any number if you write here, the same number we have to write it in this place also. So we'll have here, suppose in 1000, 10 times we have 100, right? So that 10 we cannot write here. That's why 9 I am writing. So 9 9s are, now we have to multiply this 109 into this 9 only, not 5.9, only with 9 we should multiply. So here 9 9s are 81. So 8 is remaining. Again 0 9s are 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. Again 1 9s are 9. We have to write like this. Then you do the minus of this. Here we'll get 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. We'll have here 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. Again we'll have here 9 minus 9 is 0. This one only shifted like 9 9 and all. So we have to add 00 directly. We no need to add here 0 or put here one more time 0 point and all. We can add here 00 directly. Then we should add this 9 here. So 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry 1. Again here 1. 1. So here we have 1900. We have 118. Which number we'll write here? The same number we should write here also. So we'll have here only 1 time, because it is, when you write 1, it will become 1181. So only 1 time we have 1181. After point, double digit is enough for this. Again more you don't want to do for this one. Okay, this is for division method. We are finding square root value. So square root of 35 is more or less 5.91. So 6 into 5.91. 6 ones are 6. 6 nines are 54. 4 you should write here. 5 should be carry. And 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. And 2 digit before we have point. 2 digit before you should keep the point here. This much meter square for second. Yeah, triangle area is 35.46. This triangle area is 30 meters. Meter square. Here also meter square. So we have to add both. Then only we will get the total area of quadrilateral. So I am going to add both also. area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of BCD triangle and area of ABD triangle. So we have here it is 30 meter square plus this one we have 35.46 meter square. So we'll add means we'll get 65.46 meter square. Now third question is, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in the figure. Find the total area of the paper used. Here you can see the aeroplane portion. We have here one triangle part and two feathers, like this is also triangle. Here down portion is trapezium and this portion is rectangle portion. This I have drawn in the board. They have given the measurement also like this. So in the first triangle, this is 5 centimeter, means this side also it will be a 5 centimeter. So see here the bottom 1 centimeter, means this one also it will become 1 centimeter. So first part we have, we'll give any name of this. It is ABC I'll give for this triangle. Using Heron's formula, we'll find the area of ABC triangle portion. Then we have triangle is C. Here I'll give this is DE. This is like half into base into height. We have base is 1.5 and height is 6 centimeter. So same measurement only we'll have here also. After finding this, when we'll multiply 2, we'll get the 2 area of this feather portion. Then this part is, here height they given 6.5 centimeter. This length is 1 centimeter. So here for rectangular portion area is length into breadth. If you find the formula of length into breadth, we'll get the area of this. And trapezium formula is half into height into A plus B. We have A is 2 centimeter here and B is 1 centimeter. This is A and B is side. Height is called, now height we have here to here. We have to find from the Pythagoras formula. I will teach you now. We will find area of ABC triangle portion. So what is the formula to find by Heron's formula? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What is the S actually? Semi-perimeter. So for this, S equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2 equal to 5 plus 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So 11 by 2 equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now square root of S means 5.5. So 5.5. Then here we have S minus A means 5.5 minus A is 5 centimeter. Again 5.5 minus B also is 5. And 5.5 minus 1 centimeter. So we have here square root of 5.5, keep it like that. This 5.5 minus 5 is 0.5. Again this is also 0.5 into 5.5 minus 1 is 4.5. So we have here 2 times 0.5. So 1 time we can take outside of the square root. Then 5.5 and 4.5 we have remainder here inside the square root. Then we'll multiply both also. We'll get 24.75. 24.75 if you want to find with the division method the square root. here we should write 4 4s are 16. If you do minus 14 minus 6 is 8. Then it will become 1. 1 minus 1 0. No need to write. Bring point number. Double digit we have to bring down because it is square root number. So point number we are bringing down. So keep it point here. This 4 we must add here. 4 plus 4 is 8. Any number if you write here, the same number we should write it here also. So it will become now 800 and 8 evens it will become 9, now 9 times. 9 nines are 81. 8 is remaining. 8 nines are 72. 72 plus 8 is 80. So we have 801 year. So then 5 minus 1 is 4. We have to do minus here. Then 7 minus 0 is 7. Again we can add double 0 here. This 9 we should add it here. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 carry 1 it will become 9 here. Then we have to see how many times it will go. Then 7 times it may go because it is 7400 here 987. So we have here 7 into 7 49 remainder 4. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. So carrying here 6. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 6 is 69. So our answer is for this 0.5 into 4.97. We'll multiply this both also. 5 7s are 35. Remaining 3. 5 9s are 45 plus 3 is 48. Then 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. Here 1 2 3 digit before we should keep point. 1 2 3 digit before we must keep the point here. All it is centimeter they given. So centimeter square is our answer for only for area of ABC. Now area of triangle ABC is 2.485 centimeter square. Now we'll find the rectangle part of BCIH. What is the formula of rectangle? Length into breadth. We have length is 6.5 into breadth we have 1. So 1 into any number will get same number. So 6.5 centimeter square is this. 6.5 centimeter square is this area. We'll find next part of this CDE. What is the formula of this? Half into base into height. So we'll have here area of CDE triangle. Half into base into height. So half into base is we have 1.5 into height is 6. Here 1 2s are, here 3 2s are. So 3 into 1.5. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we'll get here 4.5 centimeter square for one feather. 2 feather we have this side also. So we multiply for 2. Otherwise area of one more triangle, it is FBG. Also a same measurement. So we'll get this is also same. Now finally we have to find the trapezium portion. Area of trapezium we have to find. For this we don't have height value h. So we have to find that one now. This area is 4.5 centimeter square. Here also we have 4.5 centimeter square the area. Now this trapezium portion I have taken here separately. HIJK. This full centimeter we have 2. This full we have 1 centimeter. But I am going to take for here parallelogram. So 1 centimeter here. I am taking 1 centimeter same as like this. If I cut this, this is parallelogram. I have here 1 centimeter. So remaining how much I will get here? It is 1 centimeter. In 1 centimeter also, I will give here some name S. So here remaining I have 1 centimeter. In this midpoint if I take, it will become here 0.5 and this is also 0.5. If I mark this, I will get, this is called H value because height and this side will become 90 degree. I and J is 1 centimeter they given in the question. So it is here 1 centimeter. So if it is 1 centimeter here in the parallelogram, opposite side also I will get 1 centimeter only. So only this portion if we take, it is like right angle triangle. In right angle triangle we have 2 sides measurement and one angle is 90 degree. We will find H value is. Now use the Pythagoras theorem. Right angle triangle HRS. HRS. We have R angle is 90 degree. So 90 degree opposite it is called hypotenuse. So HS square equal to HR square plus R square. This is what our Pythagoras theorem says. Then it is here 1 square. H square we have to find. R square is 0.5 square. So 1 ones are 1 only. 0.5 square is 0.25. So this value will take this side. So 1 minus plus value will come this side minus 0.25 equal to H square. We need only H value. So square root of 1 minus 0.25. So from 1, if you minus 0.25, we'll get remaining is 0.75 equal to H value. So 0.75 also by division method we have to find the value of this. We have here only decimal value. So point number only we are going to take. So 0 point. Any number if you write same number we should write here also. So here 8 8s are 64. Then we have to subtract here. So it will become now 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. So now directly we can put 2 zeros here. This 8 we have to bring here and add. 8 plus 8 is 16. And some value if you write here, same value you must write it in this place also. Then we'll write here 6 times it will come. So 166 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Remaining 3. Again 6 6 are 36 plus 3 is 39. Again 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So now remaining no need to write here because after decimal we have 2 number. It is enough here. So H value is 0.86 centimeter. Using this H value, we will find here the area of trapezium. Area of this trapezium is half into H, A plus B. A is this side, B is one more side. So half into H value we found now. It is 0.86 into A is 2 plus B is 1. So we have 1 by 2 into 0.86 into 2 plus 1 is 3. So here 1 2s are 2. Here 0.4. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. Again we have to multiply this. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. So 1 2 digit before we have point. Same like that 1 2 digit before we have to keep the point. Total area of paper used we have to add this 2, 3, 4 and this value is 5 value we have to add. So it is 2.485 plus 4.5, again one more further 4.5 plus 6.5 for rectangle and 1.29 for trapezium. So finally we'll add this everything. 19.275 centimeters square.